$1.7 million is how much money I made for the year I lived in this van while I would get Wi-Fi only 1 to 2 days a week. My masterclass I created, the Brambila Method, teaches you the exact same strategies and business models I used to do so. But the story of the Brambila Method is actually not about me. It's about my grandma. My grandma, through tragedy, was forced to raise her family on her own in a small village in Mexico called Tamaulipas. She had to figure out a way to literally put food on the table for her family, so she came up with an idea. She would travel to other villages and cities in exchange for goods and items that weren't found in her hometown. Then she would flip them for a very, very small profit. She never got rich. She never made six figures, but she did eventually save enough money to bring the whole family to the USA. That's my parents, and that baby is me, one of the first Brambilas to be born in the US. The philosophy of the strategies taught in my masterclass is to learn how to risk nothing and earn everything. It's the focus of online business models that don't require expensive costs or overhead to get started and operate. Like my grandma, I started my first business without any money, and the Brambila Method are the lessons of how to make money online without cost or spending money. A true bootstrap sweat equity style that any beginner can do from scratch. The Brambila Method is a 10-day masterclass complete with over 60 video lessons and over 60 step-by-step PDF actionable workbooks. It's everything you need to get started on making your first $1,000 online. I intentionally made it for the ultra beginner who doesn't have any experience, and the results from launching the program since June 15, 2021 have been insane. Like Morgan, who is our most successful testimonial, who's made literally over 120 grand in 30 days, 1 year after starting the Brambila Method. Or Cameron, who made $1,600 in 1 day and just a little over a month after taking the Brambila Method. Michelle, who just a few months after taking the Brambila Method landed a $31,000 contract. Or people like Clara, who literally the day after taking the Brambila Method made her first sale, $25. 5 days after that, making $120 orders plus, and then landing high ticket sales such as $600 within 30 days of that. These are just a few of the thousands of testimonials we have from people and beginners all around the world. Inside the Brambila Method, you'll learn the proper mindset, how to tap into gigs, how to even use AI and e-lancing and content creation, affiliate marketing, and so much more. The Brambila Method is an annual membership, which means you sign up today, you'll have access to the materials and lessons for 12 months. Then, 12 months from now, we will update the Brambila Method as we do every year to the newest version with completely new lessons, guest instructors, and strategies. This makes sure that the material you are building your business from never becomes outdated. Right now, we're in the newly released Brambila Method 2.0. Our cancellation policy is super easy. It takes 60 seconds in case anytime within the 12 months you do not want to renew, you can. Our refund policy is also super transparent. You have 14 days from when you sign up to ask for a refund. And it's no questions asked, even if you simply just do not like the course. Ask for a refund and we'd be happy to give it to you and say thank you for giving it a try. At the time of this video, our refund rate is actually 3%, so we feel confident that this is going to be the training you've been looking for to help change your business, income, and life. Click below to start the Brambila Method and learn how to risk nothing and earn everything.